Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. On WIF, I did not expect that I would make this this video today, because yesterday it was absolutely destroyed. As most of you know, I mean, yesterday I was always quite bullish on WIF. Like, I did not make an update yesterday, but the day before I did make an update, and the day before that as well. And in general, my price targets were always $2 initially, and then 2.5. So personally, I also bought, I think, at 1.75. Like, my entry was absolutely horrible. But in the end, yesterday we dropped down, almost wanted to close, but the recovery, and that is kind of where this all started. The recovery for WIF was extremely quick. Like, if you look across the board, I think the recovery of WIF, you can also see that right here. If you look across the board for meme coins, was very strong. Now, some other meme coins right now are catching up, like Floki, like Wen, like Pepe. But the initial recovery was very strong. And apart from that, which I'm not sure if we have all the numbers already right here, but I will check that out. Do we have all the numbers? Yeah, we have the numbers. Apart from that, if you look at the open interest right here, that also recovered very quickly, and it's almost at the same levels as it was. So then that means that there is a lot of momentum, and that there potentially is more to come. Now, what I always think, or at least the last time what happened with Bonk, is that Bonk also got a Coinbase listing. So what is still possible, apart from the fact that the markets are still very bullish and all meme coins are being bought up a lot, and it looks to me like WIF was one of the most shorted cryptos. So this could also be some sort of a short squeeze, right? I mean, WIF yesterday was very weak, and a lot of people were shorting it. So what you get then, and you can see that right here, what you get then is a lot of liquidity. Like, especially yesterday after the flush, there was a lot of liquidity at 1.5. So that instantly got hunted, and that made us spike up to 1.71. That brings more attention to WIF because it's recovering very quickly. The market circumstances are bullish. There's a lot of eyeballs on meme coins. People look at what's performing the best, and then people and then retail invest in WIF, right? That's a possible way of looking at it. So that's bullish. And then if we take a look at the technicals right here, like I said, I would argue that the open interest right now is going up nicely. There's a lot of spot buying as well. I do want to have a look at these numbers as well, because sometimes the open interest numbers differ a bit. Here you can, for example, see that the open interest is making new highs. So I'm not sure which one to trust, but then both of them are bullish. So I would say it's most likely will go up. Now, we could have a bit of a spike down to 1.9, 1.75, for example. That's our main support level right now. But it would be foolish of me to say that we're going to drop down. It's obviously a possibility. Right now, after we just had a big flush, it's very possible that Bitcoin gets into some sort of a consolidation. And when Bitcoin gets into a consolidation, funding rates are cooled down, and more capital might flow to some serious altcoins instead of meme coins. So that is a possibility. Like, it's really a possibility that $1.75, for example, fails to hold for WIF. But if you look at the technicals right now, if you look at the gain of momentum we've had since yesterday, if you look at the relative strength, if you look at the market circumstances right now, which are still very bullish, it's just most likely that WIF will hold this. We just found resistance at 2.25, big psychological resistance level. So the most obvious next price target is the next psychological level at 2.5. So I think it's most likely we'll go up there. And from there, we'll see again. I mean, it's basically if we hit 2.5 and we're able to hold 2.25 in that area as support, then later on, we can also rally up to 2.75 and $3. But that's something we'll see then, all right? So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.